arrived at the destination, which is Obersalzberg, or Upper Salzburg, close to Berghof. I parked the vehicle on the parking spot and now I'm going to look for the bunker. There should be a bunker somewhere here. And we will stay here overnight. Just rest and breathe this clean air and enjoy beautiful weather and just straighten my muscles, my bones to after a long travel. I think I see this bunker. It's here. So we can at least take a look at this object from here. We may even get inside. No, it's a fence. Summer is not good for exploration. As you can see, it's quite big one.
Hello, my name is Kamil Konrad Rudnik. I share my passion for remote traveling, exploring and mountaineering. I invite you to join me and together uncover wonders of our planet.
Barbed wire along the bunker. But it's not that difficult to cross, so we can try. Okay, made it. So a kind of storage building. Not much. And here, second floor. So that's it. Entrance to the mine. Deep into the mountain. But not for tourists, unfortunately. Mountains. Beautiful sunset in Obersalzberg. We got to Berghof. I don't know if we can read it. Berghof, Hitler's villa in Alps. This is what's remaining. Almost like in Riese in Polish Lower Silesia. This is the view. There are mountains. There is a nice view, but now the trees are in the front and mountains are in the back. So this is the road. Down there, mountains. Mountain view and foundation. That's what's left from Berghof. Only foundations in the forest, but the climate is... You are here at the center of the former fear of the limits area, off limits area. Berghof. Berghof was damaged in a British air raid on the 25th of April 1945 and set on fire by Obersalzberg SS a few days later. So we are visiting historic place. Even now there are followers, you see? SS ideology. See the foundation, how it's big. How big was it? We are here. We are not judging anymore. It's time for judgment has passed. Now we simply take a look at this as the historical object. And what's left? Not much, as you can see. Not much. But it was big. Definitely it was big. It was huge. There is nothing more on top. Almost nothing. I want to show you my system of refueling main tank. When you have jerry cans or just plastic bottles, to do this I have special hose in this PVC plastic pipe. It's a one-way valve, and then there is long pipe, and this long pipe goes in here on one way, and the other end goes directly here. Okay, so we have something like this. Now I need to populate the pipe with diesel fuel. Now it's populated, and by gravity it goes to the main tank. That's how I do it, almost effortlessly. When the work is finished, I simply put it straight back into the pipe and lock it with seal. That's it. Nice, clean and tidy. New day, 9 o'clock. We start our trekking to Eagle's Nest in the Bavarian Alps. We parked in such a beautiful place alongside the Mercedes Geländewagen, which is also one of the legendary 4x4s. So we leave our vehicle. There you see the road. And the road is here. We cannot go anymore by vehicle. And what we see in the signs: Kehlstein. Kehlstein 4 hours. That's our destination, Kehlstein, Eagle's Nest. So if you come here, it's a good spot. You can park just where the track begins. Weather has changed from humid and almost rainy to sunny now, and the track is also more rocky now despite the asphalt. It's quite nice and it's quiet, no tourists. I passed 4 people within 2 hours, so it's not like in Poland or at all. if you just have time to contemplate, to enjoy the nature and its beauty, and spend some time with yourself, with your thoughts. So we climb, we are almost above the tree level, but you see still far to go. The wall. Ahead of us. This standalone mountain reminds me of Polish mountain in Tatras, in Polish Tatras, Giewont peak. They're kind of similar in shape. It's too stiff for off-road vehicles, but for mountaineer bikers it will be fantastic road down the valley here. For heavily equipped with self-protecting gear. We are approaching viewing platform where we will take a short break to have a glance look at the mountain range. It's as far as the buses comes, and from here only the steep climb to the top. To get inside you need a mask, which I don't have, so I decided to go, but I don't know where I'm going to. It's the kind of station or something. I don't know where I'm going to. You see something in here? I think it's some kind of elevator to the top. If not by lift, we can climb the mountain within 35 minutes. Off we go. Final ascent. Now stairs to the top. And we see on this side beautiful mountain, and from here we see all the valley, the Kempinski Hotel Obersalzberg is right below us. And you see the mountains, even higher mountains there, and the valley and the villages. Okay, we reached Kehlstein mountain top. Many people. You can add your stone to the construction if you like. Creativity is without limit in here, and even a cross at the top with strange flower.
Okay, let's see here. I skinify you guys.
1951.
Skinify.
So that's it. I thought we will get to that top, that peak, but not. It's just it. Anyway, it's fantastic. It's worth hiking. The road is very easy, not stiff, and it's flat all the time. I mean there is no stones you have to jump, so your knees are not stressed. It's very nice family walk to the top.